Guy, hello. I've been watching so many video on YouTube about how to make masks nowadays. Everybody wears. Um, this is the way I find the way. Actually, I learned the way to make very easy. Everybody can do at home. That's all we need is one roll of the Bounty paper towel. This is the good one. I like because they have two layers. For one piece, they have two layers. Here we go. It's very easy, and then also we have the stapler. Everybody have a stapler at home, of course. And everybody have hair tie at home, girl hair tie. So I have this, and this one actually you can reuse it for like the whole time. It's a very easy way to do it, and then I will make the way like I have some sample here, but I will just share how I doing it. One roll like this, you can make many of masks for your family, and you don't have to spend any money on it because now it's so expensive. You know, I used to pay this one, the medical mask. Usually I pay $8 for what is that? No, $10 for 100 of them. But now I cannot even order anywhere. And now 2 weeks ago, I went somewhere else and I saw one place to sell it, 10 of them for $15. I bought it, but actually, you know, now you cannot find anywhere, or you can order online, but cost too much, maybe $50, and then take forever to get it. So anyway, this one is easy way to do it. Everybody can do it at home, and like I said, this is thick, so it's hard for you to. I mean, it worked for a little bit, and then easy to make at home. So here we go. Make it straight, and then wrap like one line straight, and then put this down like this. Hold this, and then make it straight. This is straight. I make the side of the medical mask, okay? Okay, one line, and make them straight like this, and then another line, just leave it there, and then another one, wrap another one. Just make like just you don't have to make exactly the same side, but you just make a little so they can connect to another one like this. And then like one straight, and then another one on top. Okay, make it very straight, and then make a straight line again, one very straight line like this. And then make it straight, and then another one. It's very easy. I make it slowly. Take me a while to learn, because sometimes we put the wrong direction and it look funny. Okay, so now we have one, and we have two. See, it's straight. One more. Yes, like this. Okay. I should make this big one. Okay, and then like this. So that's how they look. And then we just make like turn around. make the sign like your face. This doesn't have to be perfect, but it's, we can wear it like we can make it home and save some money. Depend if the kit we make a shorter, and if like for my regular size we make the same size with the medical, like a little bit longer. Yep. And then we just put this in here. And next step, we just I hope this works. Just tape, and we put them on the outside, so we tape like this. Wait a minute, so the outside could be nice one. Oh, we have to turn like that, so the outside could be like the good stuff. Set, clip this and then turn around. That's it. So mình cái này mình mở ra này. Cái này mình có thể bấm thêm một cái chỗ này nữa cũng được nè. Cái này nó dày quá bấm không dính. Mình có thể bấm cái này. Này nó dính nè. Thể bấm 3 cái cũng được, 2 cái cũng được. Mình để cái đó bên trong. It's inside. We can do 3 or 1 or 2. 2 is okay, but 3 nó gets stick better. Okay. And then that's it. So we can wear it. Can you put on, baby? Comfortable?
Mm-hmm.
Looks great.
Now I have to edit the video.
Okay, wait. Okay. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys save some money. One roll like this, you can make many masks at home.
Mm-hmm.
Bye bye. Give me a like, share, learn. See you later.